Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know how you can use Evernote for beginners. In order to start with the Evernote, you have to follow the steps. So first thing, going to open up a browser and on the web address bar type in www.evernote.com. That's going to take you to the official page. This is how it's going to look like. So here you're going to accept all the cookies. In order to start with this, you could either download or you could just press the login button, or if you don't have an account, then click on start for free. Now you could start with the email address or continue with the Google or Apple. So you could type in either one of it and click on the continue button. As you've actually done with this procedure, now you could create a password. So type in the password or set a password. So as you can see that the account has been successfully created. So this is basically how it's gonna look like. And after you're done creating your account, you could just go ahead and click on the continue button and start with this. So you could go and read all of these and select or go through this registration process. And if you're sure about it, then click on the continue button and you've successfully created your Evernote account. Then you could go and explore all of the information, all that, and that's basically how you can create, and that's basically a tutorial for beginners on Evernote. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.